All right, gang, back in the shop, still in the shop, and I'm back. I had quit making YouTube videos for a little while. I got busy, and for one reason or the other, YouTube don't pay. My dog's always barking. Anyway, I noticed on YouTube there's just a lot of other stuff. I was going to give you an option to watch something different than what's going on right now, and I'm building a welding service trailer. It's not a cargo trailer. It's just to haul the welder, some tools, and go out on jobs. It's not 100% right now. I'm about 70% done. Still got lights and whatnot to do. And pardon the dog barking, that's his job. And I'm gonna flip you around, give you a walk around of what I got so far, and submit it for your approval. You may have some ideas on this video. You get some that you swear by and some that you swear at. Stay tuned. Shut up! All right, this is it. It's still very raw. 5.5 feet wide, 12-foot long box. I built a tongue out of everything is scrap. Everything is drop material from jobs, other than, you know, like the jack or the toolboxes. It's 2x6 rectangle tubing. Starts out here at the tongue, goes all the way back over the suspension, and nearly goes to the second spring hanger. I had what I had, that's what I used. Everything's extra heavy. 5x3x1/4 rails along the side for the bottom box, 3x1/4 on the top box. All these angles in here are various sizes, either two, they're anywhere from 2 to more than 3x5. I plan to put the welder, hang on, this is it on the front. I have this little storage box here. I got a step I'm gonna have a pass through that goes through so I can access that top box. And then these are just 18x4 saddle boxes. They were gifted to me. But I followed all the formulas on axle placement. You can Google that easy enough. I had to replace the, I didn't replace them, I bought new ones. Spring hangers and bolts. I put greasable bolts on the springs. The axles were gifted to me off of a job. I cut them off of a customer's project. They had no use for them, so I had to widen those up. I followed everybody else's videos on that. I didn't feel like it was a big deal to bring you along on the build. Everybody brings you along on the build, and like, you have to do it their way. I just followed some general rules. Everywhere I crossed the frame, I put patch pads on there to give me extra strength. On my tongue, I put another bar up here, like a sacrificial plate here. So if I have to cut my jack loose, I'm not cutting into the structure of the tongue. I had some Trex decking left over from a job. It's been sitting out behind the shop forever. I've got to cut those down to length. Under there, under that box, I'm gonna put some FRP that was gifted. And then, like I said, pretty much everything's weight forward. The boxes are about 2 inches towards the tongue of center. The welding machine will be placed in between these two boxes along here and bolted down. Hopefully I did the math right and put the 5x3 underneath so I can catch some mounts for the welder. On the back end, I had a piece of drop 1/4-inch plate I put back here. It's about 30 inches wide for a work surface. I'm going to mount this little vise in a reese hitch back here on the back to work with. But this is generally the idea I got going here. This is as far as I've gotten. I'll show you too. Yes, the axles are matched, but the wheels that came with these axles are not. There's like 4 different wheels. That explains the offset of the tires. I have some other wheels here off of they're like off of an early 90s model Ford Ranger truck. The 4th one's in the back of my truck. There's 6-inch wheels. I'm going to replace those. Those are car tires also. That's a no-no on a trailer. I'm going to put trailer tires on there. I still have to do the bearing work and the tire work. I'll get to that later in another video. I'm not going to show you any of the process I'm going through to do this. I'll do another walk around on it as I get to the next step. It's hot right now while this video is being recorded, and I have fans on. They buffet the air, and I'm going to turn you around. All right, that's it. I just did a quick walk around on the trailer for what I have right now. As I stated, it's hot right now. I turned the fans on in the shop. There's no way to record without having the air buffeting. And so early in the morning is the only shot I got right at this time of the year to record anything. So that's the trailer to date. It's July 30 right now. South Georgia is hot. It's supposed to be somewhere around 97 degrees. And they say it feels like 100 and whatever. So anyway, that's what I got. Stay tuned. I plan to try to produce more video for you guys. Like, share, subscribe, comment, please. This is Mo, damn it. Tire Creek Ironworks out.